In continuation of the previous video, link in the description below, where we used the bulk calculate feature to avoid creating 16 files and work with just 2, this video will demonstrate how to use the bulk export feature to generate all 16 files with a single click. Let's browse for the output folder by clicking the Browse button. I'll create a new folder called Printer and set it as the output folder. Click on the Input/Output folder label button to open the chosen folder in File Explorer. Let's say I'm interested in data point 1, which corresponds to a 3-meter length and 3 kN per meter intensity. After confirming that the data point input box is set to 1 and the export format is set to XLSX, click the Export 1 button. This will generate a new file in the chosen folder with the name entered in the file name column. The file is an exact replica of the template, except for the input cells, which will reflect the values from the summary table corresponding to data point 1. Click on the Export All button to automatically export all data points as individual files. You can choose from various export formats including PDF, XLSX, XLSM, XLSB, and XLS. Watch as your files are generated sequentially in the selected output folder. All files will be ready in just a moment. The true benefit of this feature is that you no longer need to worry about updating multiple files in case of template changes. Instead of making consistent changes across several files, simply update your template file and use the bulk export feature to generate all the files on the fly, ensuring consistency. Let's open the last generated file corresponding to data point 16, with a 9-meter length and 9 kN per meter intensity. Notice how bulk calculate has generated the file perfectly, just as expected. Do you see how bulk calculate brings all your data together in one place? Great work! Stay tuned for the next exciting video on bulk import.